have the right people and if you have the right culture at your company, you'll do the right products, you'll do the right marketing, you'll do the right things in manufacturing and distribution. And if you do all those things right, the bottom line will follow.
It's through the team, through that group of incredibly talented people bumping up against each other, having arguments, having fights sometimes, making some noise, and working together, they polish each other. And they polish the ideas, and what comes out are these really beautiful stones. I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. It is so hard. You pour so much of your life into this thing. There are such rough moments in time that most people give up.